Well, people, may yes have video we say followers na ya no mo follow me osika farms no no. There are a lot of questions mubusa all the time when they DM me mubusa questions. Most comment column on so you see a lot of people giving their comment, asking questions and I would like to take this opportunity to address these questions or SND Ediba mi DM. Mame I started with me brother back obeka loan ho asem. Obusa me so betimi akwakoji loan. Obese oye farming ni bi pick farming ni bi na obetimi akwaji loan na odi ababa ya na. Me nua ma me ntu fo wo so a wo hwe me so me say be okoto bi tu ne ba fo na odi bi ato eye okotoku mu. We me de maye nua na o ka so akwaji loan. But you can as well also listen to it say if you want to enter into pig farming there is an advice to you. So okay so akwaji loan loan no okoje the interest eka ho. Into every month biano you need to pay interest on sa loan na wakwa akwaje no. Pig farming is not like buying and selling. Wakoto ade na wo ba beton na wonim sa at the end of the day no oton wi a wo benya wo mfaso na wate wo mfaso na capital na ade sha ase na no wo na ade mfaso no akwakotua loan no. Pig farming is not like that. Because one, obi wo na okoto pigs na oto piglets no nketwa no. Eno na woto na wababa yen wo mo benya bi a fane say about 7 8 9 months and son of my matured say obetimi across wo mo amomo ababa abewo indi fane say wakoto mo manya bi a 8 months na abe cross wo mo omonyema 3 weeks 3 months 3 weeks 3 days 3 hours faka 8 months no botwem 1 year. Inti say loan no ebeda honom a wo de ababe we sie for 1 year no na se wunya say interest ne fentu ya wanka se busa ho se ekase na wo ba gu honom na eno na nchen kra no pigs no ko form ebegu bu ni mu a unwie you need to feed them and feed no kra no whole all things together like a different issue altogether because feed na kasa kra ebo edin because you need to feed them to achieve the actual weight now wo hwehwe every money actual growth now wo hwehwe no enti going for a loan no to start or to set up your piggery farm no is not advisable. Do not even do that. Mamensa ensa enkoso bio and as oye adwuma so because obi so send him some message oye adwuma masa and I say minuaba enjaye adwuma na wo ye no na nka se me pese me start me business pig farming eno nti no me jam adwuma me one say wo sika da ho na de yes set up no penthouse no na wo ye bibia kama wie na kofa pigs ni beguma. It's not the end. Ubesan ato aduane nti bisa ho se ubeto aduane akwakosi bresen ansa na pigs na baba benyi am wetimi aton wo mo nti even ubetimi aton pigs ne kra na we start ya be a free 2 years ekono ho na betimi aton pigs no unless say why wadwen say ubeton winners wo be ton winners no na o de adjust and the winners no kwaka say wo ton kra na say na benya because omo ye winners unless say the actual breed no authentic breeds no honom and ye turn aboarding na say me busa Duroc wenya 6 weeks obi ka chem say 4,000 Ghana cedis. When you have the real breed na say wo turn there for that one there you know say unye sika no ewo honom but and then when benya say 4,000 aba beto that breed no ketwa sa no asa akohwe na ama nanyi ansa na wenya ne so mfa so obi so timi koto de wenyi dada no de number no yaba be cross no na ono wanyem eno sa ne se wodi usika ehema ebedi be 2 years sa ansana wanka so hu say we ye adwuma anya sika wodi we ne sika kra be bakra no bibi kitu bi ne bedi kan aba because afi na wo sha ase ti ba cho so wo ye adwuma do not stop we adwuma wo ya yitu akabo so me wonya sika no enka say I'm entering into piggery farming and I say so start so do not go for a loan. So the loan no eba be because at the end of the day no one it is stress ne be ma. Two the how ne be bro. Three the failure ne be bro. Ti ma chosha no so. Na obi so sorry, obi so ebusa me say o ska wo hon but so to be 10 and 20 no do mo sha ase. Dey bia me come asem say you start small, then you grow with it. Because when say wakoto pigs 10 akoto ye no, wa cross wo mo. After all the final 4 months, after 4 months no 10 now, because pig back with me emma e mo 10. Me wo pig back on more large white or no away or 14. And this one pig in the mouse are 10 no. Now the time say 10 when I'm 100. But I say, are you ready for that 100? One. Obeka say me whisker or horn whisker ni me whisker or horn ma meti me e dia to aduane am omodi me whisker or horn, but ask yourself, so do you have the experience? I'll be dealing with them. Because when it comes to pig farming, no only experience, forget about it. I'm telling you, you can have the whole secure what the whole world. We need experience now. You cannot. So I always advise people, say, start small, grow with it. Get the experience, then you can do the expansion. Even sa M1 I don't much say because M1 kasa kwa the best extending or pig farm no the amount. Because so who you see a mammy and a mammy and son. Now you like ni be our 10 within a year, not me cross so much two no show mu year 10 no 30 to me 60 in a year. Then you are growing. But you said the make a note say. Me the part 2 no ebe bro ma me fa won si ase na e share we say no obi enye bi enhwe no nsunsun ade emfiri mu. Part 2 no me drop here also obi huna onye bi ahwe obetumi follow us na wenya information bebree about you going to pig farming. And I say o question bi aso a obetumi eja question no comment column hon ma na so betumi DM me na metumi answer or question no edi amount. I think say now many questions be bre or hon ma is about time I say me address these questions no say they be ya obi or person no so start piggery no or no so ebi hu from the left to the right no hu say do be see akọ na at the end of the day no wetumi anya pig farming no ho faso because sadi we wo ya a huge investment. Very huge investment. We just now we ni so we ni beje ama wasre. Enti no you be drop a second video no be enye bi ahwe. Thank you for watching.